All right, Sam's Club shoppers, check it out. 14-foot round trampoline skywalker with basketball hoop is $239.98. These are a lot of Christmas items here that are left over. And even if they're not on sale, it's a great price, like this keyboard here for $148. You got a couple of toys here that are $25.15, dinosaurs and some kind of tank-looking thing. All right, aquarium arcade. I don't think it's an aquarium arcade, but it's $8.91. This is, I don't know what the price is on this. I think it's the wrong tag and the wrong thing here. But you know what I mean. Get here and check out the Christmas items. $29.87 for the pizza play set. Gourmet kitchen appliance. It's pretty nice for the ladies there. All right, a lot of plushes here. A lot of plushes. It's kind of cute here, this little dragon. So check it out. Got a lot of the electric vehicles still left from Christmas. $3.99. Can-Am Maverick. Thing's a beast. Got the typical playground that's here forever. $8.19 is a Adventure Castle playset price, but the Adventure Castle lifetime product swing set is $15.98. So there's a couple things that are added to it. They got more lady stuff here. Got the little ladies here, dolls. $14.92. Mermaid, $16.48. Okay, got a little ship there. $24.96 play school set. You know, birthday's coming around. You can get these now and then give them to them for birthday. $34.98 for the Hot Wheels Epic Low Glow Challenge. That's not bad. The electric scooter, check that out. $4.99. That's not a bad deal. $3.49 straight for this little bike here. Electric bike. Then go dirt biking in it. That looks pretty fun too. All right, then we got the Atlas Pro folding bike. I don't know where you fold this thing at, but wow, it's pretty neat. You can get out there and tear it up. God, this looks like a giant bumper car here. Oh, it is a bumper car. Glow Racer bumper car. $129.77. So come on down. There are Christmas items left, even packaging stuff still left over from Christmas. So check it out at Sam's Club.